Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GoHighLevel reputation management for lead follow-up, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to the Reputation tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Settings option within the Reputation section. Ensure your business profile is set up with accurate information. Add your business name, address, and phone number if needed. Next, go to the Review Requests tab. Click on that Add New Review Request button. Select the type of review request you want to create. Choose your preferred messaging template for the request. Customize the message to match your brand's voice. Input the contact details of your lead. Select the specific service or product related to the review. Set up the follow-up schedule to automate responses. Decide how many reminders you want to send to leads. Click Save to ensure your review request is stored. Next, navigate to the Automation section. Create a new workflow by clicking the Create Workflow button. Name your workflow appropriately for easy identification. Add a trigger that starts this workflow when a lead is added. Incorporate actions that send review requests automatically. You can also set a delay if needed to avoid overwhelming leads. Test your workflow to ensure all steps function correctly. Once confirmed, activate the workflow by turning it on. Monitor the response rates from your leads over time. Adjust your messaging or follow-up timing based on feedback received. Regularly check your reputation metrics in the dashboard. Use these insights to improve your overall follow-up strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.